Due to a manufacturing problem, we've been asked to produce a few of a certain component for our sewing machine. First, let's take a look at the component in question. There's the component that we need to machine. Let's isolate it from the rest of the assembly. Excellent. This is a fairly complex part, but CAM Express should be able to machine it very easily. First, we'll create a window frame fixture to hold the part using the same material that the part is being made from. Solid Edge has great CAD capabilities that go right along and complement well the CAM abilities in CAM Express. Now we'll send it to CAM Express. Once inside CAM Express, we can begin the manufacturing process. There's our manufacturing assembly. Let's get to work. One of the new things in CAM Express version 11 is adaptive milling. Adaptive milling is a toolpath style that not only makes the cutting go faster, it also makes the tools last longer. It's a true win-win situation. And it comes with cavity milling, so there's no extra charge for this great feature that you get with CAM Express. Also included in CAM Express are some great geometry selection tools. In this example, we'll go in and we'll choose a number of faces with just a couple of clicks. We pick a seed face and an edge face, and all the faces in between are selected. Furthermore, since each set of faces is a separate group, we can easily modify them or even delete them if we need to. CAM Express gives us lots of great geometry selection and visualization tools to help us in our work. Another thing new in CAM Express version 11 is the Post Hub. The Post Hub is an online library of post processors and simulation kits that you can use if you don't have a particular post processor located on your machine. The Post Hub is quick and easy to use, and for many of the posts, there is no charge or usage fee whatsoever. I can drag and drop. I can choose the post that I want simply by picking it from the list, or I can use the filters that are built into the Post Hub to give me a quicker selection dialog. In this case, I'm picking only 3-axis machines that are Haas. Once the post is selected, I can then post-process. The post-processing is complete and my program looks good. Now I will download it to my machine. There's the downloaded file. Let's open it with our text editor. Very good. I've got the posted output ready to go to the machine. But wait, what about verification? Oh yes, CAM Express has that also. Now let's go in and view the toolpath to make sure that the operations go the way that we think they should. With adaptive clearing, the Post Hub, and a myriad other numerous new features in CAM Express, you can be confident that your productivity will soar. CAM Express is a great CAM solution for your needs. Thanks for watching.